The name that started the premium compact SUV craze is back, but not how you remember it. Yesterday, Jaguar Land Rover and Chery officially revived Freelander as its own standalone brand. It's no longer just a model, it's a high-tech offensive designed to dominate the luxury EV market. It's boxy, it's British designed, and it's packing a level of tech that JLR couldn't have achieved alone. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're breaking down the 2026 Freelander Reborn, the SUV that might just be the smartest move JLR has ever made. Forget the old diesel engines. The 2026 Freelander sits on the cutting-edge E0X platform. The flagship trimotor BEV variant pushes out 554 horsepower, while the extended range version uses a 1.5-litre turbo to keep the battery topped up for those long-distance adventures. Because it's built on an 800-volt architecture, it supports 6C supercharging. That means you can dump enough juice into the CATL battery for a 300-mile run in just a few minutes. It's the perfect marriage of British off-road DNA and China's world-leading battery tech. Inside, the Concept 97 layout is pure futurism. A digital display spans the entire width of the dashboard, powered by the first-ever implementation of the Snapdragon 8397 chip. But the real brain is the Huawei Qiankun adds. With a roof-mounted LiDAR and an array of 33 sensors, this Freelander offers Level 3 autonomous capabilities that can navigate urban mazes and highway interchanges with zero driver input. It's a six-seat sanctuary that feels more like a Silicon Valley boardroom than a traditional 4x4, but is it still a Land Rover at heart? JLR says yes. The Freelander debuts the IATS system, the world's first intelligent all-terrain system designed specifically for electric motors. It features preemptive shock absorbers and 3 lockable differentials simulated through the tri-motor torque vectoring, with a dedicated FD polymer coating and underbody armor to protect that massive battery. This thing is built to be just as comfortable on a muddy trail as it is at a high-speed charger. The 2026 Freelander isn't just a comeback, it's a total reboot. It's the rugged, smart, and electric future we've been waiting for. Is this the best reborn project of the year? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. I'll see you in the next one.